I think my favorite part of my career is that I'm able to do a lot of different things with my medical degree. For me, getting out of medical school meant going into practice and being a kind of a well-regarded member of the community, but it also opened up incredible opportunities for me to do things I cared about. I got lucky enough to get selected to go into the legislature in Hawaii, even though I'd only been here for 4 years. And I'm the only one that's a physician. So I get to work on big health policies. I get to see kind of the fruits of big debate, whether it's the national debate on healthcare or here we passed a bill that will allow all women to get mammograms, whether they have a primary care physician or not. That's a big deal for people. I mean, that's going to save people's lives. We're going to prevent breast cancer. Or the bill I mentioned to you a little earlier about bringing physicians that are young into our state to stop the physician shortage problem. That means a lot of people who are elderly who didn't have a doc to see them because they're on Medicare, say, will get care. And, not everyone's going to go into public policy if they have a medical degree, and they shouldn't. They should do what they want or what they dream about as a doc. But a medical degree is a really powerful degree, and it does open up those kind of opportunities. You'd be amazed at the different things you can do if you go and become a physician. So I personally recommend it to anybody who, I guess, does well enough in school to get into the programs. I think you will be satisfied that in a life now where you may have 2, 3, 4, 5 career opportunities, as a physician, you can do a ton of different things. For me, I've already had a career as a primary care physician in a community, as the only one, then as an emergency room physician, and now as a senator, and I'm still an ER doc. And I'm a medical director of a big group now. So there's a lot of different neat things that you can do. So it's always pretty satisfying, and people always value you. So more than any other career, I think a medical degree can offer that. Though there's a million good opportunities out there for people, but medicine is definitely one of them. And as opposed to some people who say, don't become a doc, it's too stressful, the money's not what it used to be, people are regulating it, there's insurance companies, I say, who's going to, what other career is going to offer you the opportunity to be a physician in the community, to change and become a different discipline halfway through, but still be a doc, get paid really well, get into public policy. All these things I did on my own just because I wanted to. There was no one prodding me to do those things. So there's really a lot you can do with a medical degree these days. You're always needed. You're always valued and respected in your community. I can't imagine many better opportunities in a career.